Today we are going to be cooking coconut fish curry in our Instant Pot. Hey guys, welcome back. I hope you're having a great day. Thank you guys so much for being here and checking out today's recipe. We are going to be doing coconut fish curry, which is found on page 25 of this recipe booklet. And if you don't have your own Instant Pot already, I'll put a link in the description of this video so you can go check it out. If you haven't subscribed yet to this channel, please subscribe and tell me in the comments of this video that you are a new subscriber. Let's take a look at all of the ingredients that we need to make this recipe. We're going to be using 1.5 pounds of tilapia that I've already cut into bite-sized pieces, and this is frozen. 2 cups of unsweetened coconut milk, 2 cups of cherry tomatoes, 2 jalapenos that have been sliced, garlic, fresh ginger, bay leaves, as well as 2 onions, cumin, curry, turmeric, garam masala, and chili powder. We're gonna start by sauteing our bay leaves. So first we need to select saute on our Instant Pot. Gonna have to wait just a couple minutes for our Instant Pot to get hot. And now we're gonna drizzle some olive oil on the bottom and add our bay leaves. We're gonna saute these for just a couple minutes. Now let's add our onion, our garlic, and our fresh ginger. We're going to stir this mixture around until the onions are nice and soft. Now we get to add all of these delicious smelling seasonings to our onions. And be sure to stay to the end because we're going to get the family to taste this recipe and see how they like it. Let's just add all of these. And now we're going to stir it up nice and good. Make sure to get all of those spices incorporated with the onions. Stir it around real good, about a minute. Now let's add our 2 cups of coconut milk. And we're going to stir this around. Make sure that as you stir, you get the bottom of your Instant Pot. That way the bottom of it will be clean. So stir this around real good. Time to add our tomatoes, which I have diced into halves, and our jalapeno peppers. Add both of these. Dump them on in. And stir it up. Finally, we're going to add all of our fish to our Instant Pot, and be sure to coat it as you go. Make sure all those fish pieces are thoroughly coated. I'm not a huge fish fan, so I have high expectations for this recipe. This looks really good, so we're gonna put our lid on and lock it into place. Make sure that this is not on venting, but on sealing. We're gonna push cancel and then switch it to pressure cook, and we're gonna adjust the time for 3 minutes. Now we wait. Our fish is done cooking, so now we're gonna do a quick release. And the way we do that is by pushing cancel on the Instant Pot and then turning the lever at the top here to venting.
All right, now we're gonna go ahead and give it a try. Hot. It's got a little curry flavor. It's got a little tiny bit of spice. It might even be spicy for you, Jules.
Wow.
Yeah. Well, pretty good.
My turn. That's good.
It does have some spice to it, Marty.
It tastes really good.
It's not too spicy, but it's a good spicy. Has lots of flavors in it.
A lot of coconut.
It
Well,
is.
like the creamy stuff, you know.
Definitely creamy, like Marty said.
It's good though, I like it. Might add a little bit more salt though.
I didn't add any salt.
Oh. Okay.
So you can add your own salt. Salt and pepper to taste.
It's good.
It is good. I like it.
Me too.
Okay guys, another tasty recipe. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. And if you have a suggestion on what kind of foods you'd like to see us make in our Instant Pot, please also leave that in the comments below. We hope you guys have a great day and keep smiling.